Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for beginners. Today we're going to learn how to position in CSS in a very simple way. So first we're going to learn about static. So for that we just need to come over into the body tag, and into the body tag we need to add the div tag. And if we add the div tag, we just need to close it from here and going to paste this close div tag into in bottom this image tag, and then into the div tag we just need to give id, and the id should be p1, and then it will need to get save it. And now if we just come over into style.css, we can simply use the p tag p1 and going to give the curly bracket, and into the curly bracket we can simply add position and going to give the position called static. I'm going to save it. And now if you come over into this index.html dot, and if you open in browser, as you can see now this picture is showing into our website as a static way. Static way defines just leave it alone, no movement, no fancy placement. It just remains as it is. And now we're going to dive into the next one. It's called relative position. And before that, if we just type over here top 20px and left 30px, and now if we just give the position right now relative, and now if we just save it, and now if we come over into the website and if we just just refresh it, as you can see that this image at the left side there is the space about 30 pixels, and from the top it will be 20 pixels. So basically relative position does, you can move this picture from top to left and right to bottom. So after completing the relative position, we can know about absolute position. And if we just save it, and into the absolute position we can simply refresh it over here like this, and the absolute position defines that you can move this picture anywhere if you want. You can make it into the right side, you can make it into the center, left side, at the bottom side. You can move this picture anywhere you want, and that's the power of absolute position. And there is another position that is defines a very good flex. It's called flex position, and the flex position defines a different sort of element. You can simply remove this top and left, and you can simply give the position flex as justify content into the setting into the center, and justify and just align items into center, and then the height should be 100 VH, and you can simply save it. Oh, before that you just need to change the position over here. You just need to give it display, and then you just need to give the justify content center and align items into the center, and also give the height at 100 VH. After you have to save it, and now if you just scroll it, as you can see your image now living into the center. Basically flex does is it's always remain your image or any of your text into the center. And so this is all for CSS positioning. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.